So for this activity, we're going to ask you guys to do some exercise and see how it impacts your heart rate. So you're going to need to know how to collect your resting heart rate. So to do that, you're going to be finding your pulse on your wrist is probably the easiest. And so you find kind of beside these tendons, you find your vein and press and then kind of let up a little pressure, and you should be able to feel your heartbeat. But you're going to need to calculate how many beats per minute. And to do beats per minute, that's how many times your heart beats in 60 seconds. You don't need to count all 60 seconds. I've got a little timer here. Let me put this up. You're going to count 15 seconds, then multiply how many times you count your heart by 4, and that'll give you beats per minute. And let me start my little timer. So 3, 5. So I had 23 beats in 15 seconds. So if I multiply that by 4, I think that's 92. So I had a resting heart rate, and not quite resting because I just did some push-ups to make sure my camera angle was okay, but a heart rate of 92 beats per minute. So then you guys need to figure out how many tests you want to do, but you're going to go do some sort of physical activity. Now, if it's smoky outside, don't go outside and breathe a bunch of smoke. Hopefully it's cleared by the time you're doing this. You can go walk. Maybe you walk for a few minutes and then you test your heart rate again. Maybe you run or sprint for 10 seconds and you test again, or 30 seconds and test again. It's your choice. So what you're testing, that's your independent variable. And then you're going to test the effect on heart rate. So for example, I can come over. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Put this all set back. So then let me start up my timer again. And here we go. 4, 6. So I had 30. So my heart rate went up to about 120 beats per minute. Let me hide that. So, I can tell that those 10 push-ups had an effect on my heart rate. You can get more complex. You can repeat the push-ups if you want. Pick your own variables. List out what you kept consistent between trials. Things like, I think I was standing both times when I took my heart rate, because that does influence kind of some blood pressure. It probably doesn't impact heart rate as much, but those are things that you guys can think through. So tell us your constant, tell us what you used as your control, or you compared your exercise and heart rate to, and then post it. We've got the weekly agenda. That's a discussion topic, and so underneath the weekly agenda, there's a little place to post your results. So we thought we would try this. Post your results. You don't have to put up a video. You don't have to put up pictures. If you'd like to make a bar chart, if you'd like to make a graph, you're welcome to either save a picture if you're using some kind of online graphing tool like Desmos, or you graph it in Google Sheets. I just kind of want to see where you guys are at. You don't have to graph it. You just can type your results if you'd like. But again, list out the information that we've asked for, post it as a reply to that discussion topic, and then hopefully this is the last kind of assignment. We'll have a quiz on Friday, and then we'll kind of move into the school year. So I hope you guys had a really good first week of school. Hope things are going well. I'm a really big nerd, so that's a green screen up there. I'll probably point it out a lot. This is kind of one of the first videos I've done in my new setup, so I got to show it off. I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.